So the end result on this one, it's screwed. I'm taking in the liquid over this time. They were running no filter on one of the two returns, both undersized, and the A coil inside is plugged up and there's no easy access to it. He's gonna have the contractor's gonna have one of his guys clean it out. I told him I'm not going under there, I'm not cleaning out that dirty mess. He understands. Clean up the mess. Like I said before, they're ordering a new one. It'll sit in the garage here until November, and we'll do the proper duct sizing and everything like that. He barely has 1300 CFM of airflow across that 4-ton coil, way undersized, plus it's clogged with a 1/2 inch thick of lint. It was running for years without an air filter. So you see the mess I'm with. So the line set is only like 10 feet of line set, so it's good there. I charged it up as eyeball as good as possible. This is not right, this superheat, because of the airflow. After they unclog that quilt blanket off the inside of the A coil, it'll have a lot more airflow and this will jump back up. But I'm an hour drive away from him here, and that's as good as it's gonna get. I showed you in the earlier video, I did not go down to a 500 micron vacuum on this old system that massively moisture contaminated. No filter dryer on this, rancid smell when you open it up and you smell the refrigerant. Totally wet, rancid smell inside. All the ducting is undersized. They had some of the grills were actually carpeted over inside. They were blocked. I went and opened them and they removed stuff off top of the grills inside. Still can't get an airflow above 1300. So it's as good as it gets, and it gets replaced. And I'll be back out supposedly in November, maybe December, and change out the system when the temperatures are mild here. No more 100-degree temperatures. That's it.